So today we got phone with frozen screen. If your phone screens look like this one, nothing touch or something, you don't need to change it. You have to just do something like a hard restart. So for that you have to press volume up, volume down and hold the power button till the Apple logo show. Just wait for seconds. Just release the power button. Just wait. See, your phone screen is working fine. So you don't need to spend our money on to replace a screen. It's just easiest way to repair a frozen screen.